Want to add colorful logos, text, or designs to your 3D prints, even with a single extruder printer? In this tutorial, I'll show you my complete step-by-step method using DXF files and Onshape, so you can get multicolor first layers. First, find the 3D file you want to edit. Open it in Onshape and import the STL. When imported, click on Transform icon and move the object so the plane touches the surface where you want to add your design. Once your plane is aligned with the surface, go into Sketch. First, do an extrude cut of 0.18 millimeters from the object, then extrude it back by 0.18 millimeters and select Add in the section. This creates a slight recess that your DXF design can sit on and ensures a clean separation for multicolor printing. Next, insert your DXF file. This could be text, a logo, or any design. Click Transform to scale, rotate, or position the sketch to fit your surface perfectly. Once positioned, do an extrude cut followed by extrude as new object from the cutted section. Now you have two separate parts. For example, one for red and one for blue. Export the edited file as an STL. Open it in Bamboo Studio. Before splitting the object, move it slightly away from the homing point. This prevents the printer from hitting the first layer of the first G-code. Make sure your design doesn't have details smaller than your nozzle, in my case 0.4 millimeters. Lines thinner than that won't print properly. When the object position is set, split the object into two parts. First, uncheck the part that isn't the logo. Slice the logo alone and save it as something like red_logo.g code. Then uncheck the logo and check the other part, slice it, and save as something blue_part.g code. Now you have two separate G-code files ready for multicolor printing. Send the files to your printer. Start by printing the logo first. When it finishes, don't peel off the print, because the surrounding parts will print on top of it in the next step. Start the second G-code file for the rest of the model. Once it finishes, you'll have a clean multicolor first layer. A crisp, multicolor first layer that really makes your print stand out. Remember, ensure your design lines are not thinner than your nozzle diameter. With this workflow, You can add logos, text, or other designs to any print. And that's it. You now know how to add multicolor first layers to your 3D prints using DXF files. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe and share your results in the comments. I'd love to see what you create.